SUNHUNK K2680, joint development of dedicated chassis with CNHTC, classic red and white color scheme, integrated box girder design. The total length of the vehicle is 12.26 meters. Width of 2.5 meters. 6 telescopic support legs. More stable operation with ultra-long spans. Intelligent control system Scanrico remote control, electrical box. Radiator. High torque dual rotation reducer. Winch. Luffing mechanism. 8-section hydraulic telescopic arm. Fully extended arm capable of lifting 10 tons. Maximum lifting capacity of 65 tons.